Stock market growth is usually in line with how the economy is performing. When the economic growth is resilient, the economy does well, and the market reacts to it as investors are bullish. If the sentiment is negative in the growth of the economy, the stock market usually reacts to it and goes down. But wait, there are two countries where the stock markets are hitting record highs, but both are either in a recession or will just about to slip into a recession. Yes, I'm talking about Japan and Europe. But why is this happening? Let me explain. On March 4, Japan's Nikkei 225 hit past 40,000 level, hitting a record high after almost 35 years. On March 1, Europe's benchmark index STOXX 600 hit a new record high. However, these economies are not doing that well. Japan is officially under recession and Europe's economy is also near recession and is struggling. In most countries, there is a strong relationship between nominal GDP growth and long-term stock market performance. However, sometimes it is a little complex. It depends on the way different sectors are represented in the equity market versus their actual share in the economy. In the last 35 years, Japan's GDP in dollar terms have increased from $3.1 trillion to $4.2 trillion. This means that compared to the broader economic growth, the market is aligned. The rally is seen because investors are optimistic. In the last quarter of 2023, corporate earnings were 45% higher year-on-year as per Goldman Sachs. Another reason could be something that is benefiting India too: China's slowdown. As investors are looking to move their investments out of China, Japan seems to be a good option for them. It is important to note that investors have pulled out $6.3 trillion of Chinese and Hong Kong stocks since peak reached in 2021. And this led to Tokyo becoming Asia's largest equity market. So when all this is positive, why is Japan facing a recession? Japan's economy contracted 0.1% in December quarter after shrinking 0.8% in the quarter before. In dollar terms, its gross domestic product or GDP stood at $4.2 trillion and the loss came as yen, Japan's currency, fell against the US dollar in the past 2 years. The Japanese yen fell by almost a fifth against the US dollar in 2022 to 2023, and in the last 1 year, the currency fell around 10% against the US dollar. Falling domestic consumption and high inflation were also a reason. Coming to Europe, the economy is facing a weak industrial base, a recession in Germany, and more. Despite this, the stock market is hitting new highs. Experts say that this could be because the largest stocks in the index are benefiting from broader trends like healthcare spending and drug innovation. The Eurozone is stabilizing, still struggling but avoiding a major recession. This is because of the strong earnings show by big companies like Nestle and Rolls-Royce. Business activity in February also improved. Another reason for the stock market growth can be because the global markets are influenced by the economic trends in the US. A soft landing of US economy managed to keep the global market sentiment largely positive. For Japan, analysts said that the rally was expected and could also go higher because of the positive corporate earnings and economic slowdown in China. But there are risks too. Experts expect tax hikes to be on the horizon for Japan in 2025 or 2026, and historically, this has been a big challenge for Japanese stocks. Another risk is if Chinese authorities are forced to devalue yuan by say 20 to 30%, it would pose a challenge for Japan. China may seek to devalue its currency to boost competitiveness. And lastly, another potential headwind may be US or European tariffs imposed on Chinese imports. Experts say when there is a global trade war, Japan suffers. That's all for today. For more such news and views, keep watching ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.